Today, we are going to study the structure of the human cell and its components, along with their functions. If you're watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for future notifications. The human cell is the basic unit of life, and understanding it is essential for subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, and medicine. In this lecture, we will move step by step through the cell, understand each organelle, and learn how they work together to maintain life. The human body is composed of trillions of cells, and every tissue and organ is formed by these cells. A cell is called the basic structural and functional unit of life because all vital activities of the body occur inside cells. Human cells are eukaryotic, which means they have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Although cells differ in shape and size depending on their function, their internal organization remains almost the same. A typical human cell has three major components: the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Inside the cytoplasm, several specialized structures called organelles are present. Each organelle performs a specific function, and together they ensure the proper functioning of the cell. You can think of the cell as a mini factory where different departments work together efficiently. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, forms the outer boundary of the cell. It is composed mainly of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins, described by the fluid mosaic model. The membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it allows certain substances to enter or leave the cell while restricting others. It protects the cell, maintains its shape, helps in communication with other cells, and maintains internal balance or homeostasis. The cytoplasm is a semi-fluid, jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It consists of a fluid portion called cytosol and various cell organelles suspended in it. Most metabolic and biochemical reactions of the cell occur in the cytoplasm. It also helps in the transport of materials within the cell and provides support to organelles. The nucleus is the largest organelle and acts as the control center of the cell. It is surrounded by a double-layered nuclear membrane with nuclear pores that regulate material exchange. Inside the nucleus, chromatin contains DNA, which stores genetic information. The nucleolus is responsible for the formation of ribosomal RNA. Overall, the nucleus controls cell growth, metabolism, and division. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy in the form of ATP. They have a double membrane, with the inner membrane forming folds called cristae, which increase surface area for energy production. Mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration. Cells with high energy demand, such as muscle and nerve cells, contain more mitochondria. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules involved in synthesis and transport. There are two types: rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER has ribosomes on its surface and is involved in protein synthesis. Smooth ER lacks ribosomes and is involved in lipid and steroid synthesis, detoxification of drugs, and calcium storage. Thus, ER plays a vital role in metabolism and transport. Ribosomes are small, non-membranous organelles composed of RNA and proteins. They are the sites of protein synthesis. Free ribosomes synthesize proteins used within the cell, while ribosomes attached to rough ER synthesize proteins meant for secretion or transport. Without ribosomes, the cell would not be able to produce essential proteins. The Golgi apparatus consists of flattened membranous sacs and acts as the packaging and distribution center of the cell. Proteins and lipids synthesized in the ER are modified, sorted, and packaged here. They are then transported to their specific destinations inside or outside the cell via vesicles. The Golgi apparatus is especially well developed in secretory cells. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles containing digestive enzymes. They are responsible for the digestion of waste materials, damaged organelles, and foreign particles like bacteria. Because of their role in self-digestion, lysosomes are called the suicide bags of the cell. They play an important role in defense and cellular cleanup. Peroxisomes are small organelles that contain oxidative enzymes. They are involved in detoxification of harmful substances and breakdown of fatty acids. Peroxisomes also neutralize hydrogen peroxide, which is toxic to the cell. Thus, they protect the cell from oxidative damage. The centrosome is located near the nucleus and consists of two centrioles arranged at right angles. It plays a crucial role during cell division by forming spindle fibers. These spindle fibers help in the movement and separation of chromosomes during mitosis. Therefore, the centrosome is essential for proper cell reproduction. This slide summarizes the major organelles and their key functions. Each organelle has a specific role, but all work together to maintain normal cell function. Damage to even one organelle can disturb cellular activities and lead to disease. Understanding these functions helps us understand how the body works at a microscopic level. To conclude, the human cell is a highly organized and efficient living unit. Each organelle performs a specialized function, and together they ensure growth, repair, energy production, and survival. A strong understanding of cell structure forms the foundation for advanced studies in medical and biological sciences. Mastering this topic will help you understand physiology, pathology, and pharmacology more easily. And here we are wrapping up. We can see a next video.